Good evening, sir. I'm Princess Aquino da Prosa, 20 years old. I live in Cabarwan, Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. I'm here to perform a reflecting video of our topic, which is written communication. Written communication is a transfer of information through written means like emails, letters, messages, notes. Written communication is vital in law enforcement for justice, accountability, and public trust, and it's crucial for personal and professional life. Clarity, empathy, purpose, and a specific example are crucial in written communication to create a direct sample or simple and relatable messages. Revise thoroughly for improved flow and impact. Acknowledge contribution for enhanced relationship. Structure and flow are crucial for effective written communication, especially in law enforcement. Clarity is crucial for accurate reporting. Empathy strengthens community relations. Purpose-driven communication enhancing efficiency, specific enhance credibility, editing minimize error, and gratitude fosters collaboration. Mastering written communication is essential for law enforcement professionals to handle real-world scenarios, communicate effectively with diverse audiences, resolve conflict, and develop professionally. For the purpose of fairness, responsibility, and public trust, law enforcement depends greatly on great written communication. Clarity, empathy, purpose, organization, and editing are all part of it in written communication. Gaining skills in written communication help professional growth, different audiences, real-world situation, and solving conflicts. Their experience have improved my writing skills, emphasize clarity, empathy, and professionalism, enabling to handle real-world challenge with integrity, upholding justice, and strengthening community bonds. That's all my reflecting video. Written communication, sir.